Assalamualaikum. Today I'm gonna make a demonstration assignment for subject of application development. So first this is the add for list the tasks that you can add. For example, workshop presentation. So the description we can put anything such as so we can put the priority either low, medium, or high. So I choose high. Category would each the date, and then we can choose the date. For example, we can set the time, and then it will appear here. Also presentation. Also we can mark as done if we have do the task. For example, like this, we click done, and then it will appear like that. We can sort by date also. So you can see it's the file delivery, and so we can sort by priority. So we can see the original high show first instead, and then medium, and then low. So next we can make the appearance to dark mode, and we can see all the appearance in the dark. And then we can back up to internal storage. For example, we click this, and then back up created successfully. And then if in case we can delete the file, we can restore it. If we restore from backup, so we can clear the backup clear, and then we can export the task list to download. For example, we press here and then export more task to download program. And then we can see the task is moving as been exported. So we can share as a text. For example, my task export upload. So we can see the task is export. Task 1 workshop presentation 1 private individual status being created at religion and also the task 2, task 3, task 4.